or...
How do you know this is the time somebody's watching it?
Ah, sorry.
Alright, so today we are making chicken okro soup.
Yeah.
This is basically just chicken and okro. Yeah. So let's jump right into it.
Yeah? For our chicken.
Okay. Okay, so we have some okro, fresh okro.
We have pepper.
So
The green and the red.
Green and red pepper. This is scotch bonnet.
We have our garlic blend.
Take it back a bit. We have some garlic.
And we have our ginger also to blend.
Okay.
We have our onion.
Some fresh onions. Alright. Okay, so to start off, we're going to season. The soup base literally starts with the seasoned chicken stock. So we're going to start by seasoning or steaming our chicken first. This is fresh chicken live from the market. Season with our hearty seasoning mix. Complete seasoning, about 2 tablespoons. So we're adding in some dried rosemary, some dried bay leaves. We're gonna add in some fresh basil or cucumber.
And then we are adding
some.
This is hintia. A trip but we call it in Ewe Echu.
Okay. I don't know the name for that one in English.
And then
a tablespoon of garlic and a tablespoon blended ginger. Just gonna cut some fresh onions on it. I'm going with 1 stock cube. So we let that steam for a couple of minutes or until it's getting soft. Alright, so next thing is that's happening now is she's going to chop up the okra into nice sizable chunks, and then we'll put that into the soup. So you can see she's breaking them down into sections and then chopping them. Our okra is ready. Okay, we have a special method where she chops it up, and instead of boiling it to get the slime, she do everything right here and then get the slime.
that's for the camera.
Yeah, sure. So put some saltpeter or count on there. So she's sprinkling that on it now. Then we'll chop it with a knife, a little bit of water. Yeah. So you should do this process for about a while to be able to achieve the slimy nature of the okra. I think to finish it off, she should cut some onions in there to flavor it up.
like the chicken.
About to blend the peppers, and we're doing the red peppers. We're chopping some onions. The next thing we do is we add in the pepper to the mix, to the chicken. This is literally the soup. So we blend your red peppers and onions and you add it to the stock. You don't take it off the fire, you continue from where you started with the chicken. So it's literally a one-pot dish. And I forgot to mention, this is a layer chicken, not a broiler. So this is the hard meat. It's going to take a bit to soften up. Yeah. Soup is looking good. We're going in with the okro now. Because we didn't boil the okro, we're gonna have to make it cook in the soup for a bit before we take it off. But yeah, it's looking good. Right, and apparently you're not supposed to cover the okro because I don't know.
Into the slimy food.
Yeah. To prevent it from losing its slime.
So the pepper.
To finish it off, go in with some sliced onions and wash it off. Yep.
If your mother like potato.
Awesome. Alright, so that's it. The okro is ready. This is your chicken okro soup. Taste it.